Look at this simple website. This is basically a calculator's website. Most important thing is if we open the href traffic checker and traffic value checker, you will be amazed how much this website is running and how much traffic this website is getting. We copy the website link from there and paste into the href website traffic checker and just click on check traffic. Now you can see the organic traffic is 30 million plus. 30 million plus mean these have huge traffic, and the traffic value is 9.2 million. This website is earning more than 9.2 million dollars. This website is getting approximately $5 million via AdSense. This is the current value of the website, and if we get only 1% of the traffic, so we can get at least $50,000. So we can earn $50,000 easily if we get only 1% of the traffic value from this website. Now the most important thing is you can see the traffic is getting from 46% from the United States. This is a huge number that the website is getting from United States. The other countries are India and United Kingdom, Canada and Australia, but the top of the line country is United States, and it's getting 46% of the traffic. It means their ad rate is huge than other websites. So this is amazing topic that we can copy, and then we can create similar website. They have the calculators, so we can create the similar on-page JavaScript calculators by using Deepseek AI via Blogger or via WordPress. So let's get started. As you can see, they have a lot of calculators and pages on their website, so you need to clone these calculators one by one. In this video I will just show you one page conversion, and then you can convert all of these calculators one by one. So let me get started here. For example, this is auto loan calculator URL, so I will just open this into a new tab, and this is actually the preview of this calculator, and there is the text, sum of text here, and so on. So what you can do is you just need to copy the URL of this calculator app, and you just need to go on the Deepseek AI, and in the Deepseek you just need to open a chat by clicking on this button. Now you just need to paste this URL and write the prompt that I have already provided into the description. This is the prompt where I have clearly mentioned that we need to clone this page with the functionality with the JavaScript inline code that we're gonna paste into the Blogger directly. This is the Blogger. This code will generate it for the Blogger, and then in the next I will show you how you can go code for your WordPress blog. So it will also write the 100% writing code and also SEO optimized text for your page, just like this text is available on this page, which is ranking and which is ability to make the ranking on the Google. Okay, now I will just click on this button to enter, and it will write an amazing code for us. So this has been started writing. Now it has been written a complete code for us, and I will just simply click here on to copy the code. Okay, now we have written the code. Now if you have not created the Blogger blog, you can just simply visit the blogger.com, and here you can just click create your blog, so your blog will be ready. Okay, so if you don't have a Blogger blog, you can just create by visiting blogger.com, a free blog. There is no payment issues for this. This is free by Google. Okay, we get back into the topic. Here I'm entering into the Blogger blog. This is my Blogger, and there is no posts for now, so I will just click on new post, and here this is a normal preview of this. So if you directly paste here, it will not work because this is inline code for the JavaScript. So you just need to click here on this pencil icon and click on HTML view. Now you have HTML view, so you just need to click Ctrl+All, remove already written the text, and paste the code provided by Deepseek. You just need to copy this code and paste here directly. So this has been pasted, and now you need to write the title here. So what is the title of this page is auto loan calculator, for example, and here I just write the title and click on publish and click on confirm. What it will do, it will give you an amazing post. So now this has been posted and published, and if you click here and copy the URL and open this URL into new browser, and let's see is it working or not. You can see this is working code, and this has been written also the text for our page. And if you see is it working or not, this is the summary of the loan calculator. And if you write here, for example, I just change it to 28 and just click on calculate, you can see the data has been changed. So if you here I write 10, and you can see this also been calculated instantly on page. So there is no loading time, no loading for this. So now exactly if we want to write for our WordPress blog, this working calculator has been created for a blogger blog. So if you have a blog for the WordPress blog, and if you have a website into WordPress, so how you can write? So simply go back into Deepseek, click on new chat, and here I'll just paste here, and here I will just change to WordPress. Okay, and here we just need to write the WordPress, paste into WordPress Gutenberg editor. This is directly, we just need to change here WordPress Gutenberg editor, and it will start writing. So you just need to click here enter, and it will smartly write for your WordPress blog as well. There may be a change into the design or layout, but this will write for you. Now it has been written an amazing code, and if you copy this code and paste into WordPress, it will work. Now we quickly go into our WordPress dashboard. If you don't have a WordPress website, you can just visit infinityfree.com, and I have already created a complete video how you can get a free WordPress hosting and domain and a free WordPress installed website via infinityfree.com. You can visit the video and watch the video carefully, and you will get a free WordPress website free of cost, and you can enjoy. Let me back into our topic, and here I am in the dashboard of the WordPress, and here I will just click on posts and click on add new, and here I will go back into the code. This is the code written for the WordPress. I'll just copy this code and go back into our WordPress post editor. This is basically the Gutenberg editor, and this is the blog adding preview. So here I just click on this button and search for HTML, and this is the HTML preview, and go back into your code, copy this code and paste here. Now you just need to click on publish and click on publish. Now this post has been published, and if you want to preview this post, just click on view this post. Now you can see this has been written an amazing code. So if you click on calculate, it will give you amazing summary down that, and there is the authorization schedule. An amazing schedule is also given here. If you reset it, it will reset everything. And here if you change the value here, for example I change the value, calculate, and this is calculated, and this is provided you the amazing code. Okay, so this is amazing code that has been written for the WordPress. Now you have learned how you can create this amazing tool code without learning coding for WordPress as well. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. And if you have any concern about this kind of website, or if you need this kind of website, you can just directly contact me and get this kind of website developed by for you. Thank you so much.